Hey Beardsters, Daniel here, and today we're gonna talk about the cheek lines because you can see that they're a little bit rough. They're a little bit rough around the edges. They need a little bit of a trim up. So we're gonna do the cheek lines. We just need to trim up real quick. So we're gonna jump in the shower and go do that. So guys, it's time to give the cheeks a quick trim up. It's not going to take too long. As you can see, I've already got the line put in. We just need to add some soap to the face and yeah, get on with it really. So we're not going to go below these lines here because we'll ruin the beard. So trimming the cheek lines once you've already got a line is pretty simple. You don't have to do too much work. You just need to follow that line and just trim just above it to maintain that line. So you just want to make sure you've got some soap or some oil or some gel or cream, whatever you like to use. I'm using this barber soap at the moment. It's very average. It kind of dries the skin out, but I kind of love the smell of it, so it does the job for me on that basis. So you just pull your skin quite tight, one stroke with the razor, and you just want to keep the strokes to a minimum. So I could tidy up a little bit more here, but I risk going too much into the beard, and it's looking much better than this side already. And to be honest guys, that's it, because the line's already in. This is just to show you how to maintain it, how easy it can be. You only have to do it once or twice a week, as long as that line that you've had put in by your barber, which I would recommend you do, especially if you're someone like me. This side grows like quite nice and curved, this side grows like a right angle, and it's really hard to get a line that is even, and to maintain it is really difficult. So definitely get that done, and then just maintain it once or twice a week at most. I've got a really stubbly bit here. It's like a mole or something there on my face, and it just grows so much hair. So I have to go over that area just a few more times, but obviously be careful not to go over them too many times, because that's how you get ingrown hairs, razor burn and bumps and things like that, and you really don't want that. So guys, if you got anything of value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let us know what your biggest beard challenges at the moment are. We'll see you on Sunday guys, goodbye.